Manually creating customer deposits from sales orders in NetSuite can really eat up your time, and your time is a precious commodity. So how can we break this cycle? Nova Module will simplify critical operations by automating your work. Hundreds of NetSuite users are saving many valuable hours by having this SmartConnector do this automatically. Our SmartConnector auto-creates deposits against sales orders in NetSuite. There are various options to choose from. You can create customer deposits for sales orders that are in pending fulfillment status, pending billing status, or both. It's very simple to get started. Install the product bundle within your NetSuite account, configure that relevant safe search. Test, schedule the flow, and get customer deposits auto-created in NetSuite. With Nova Module, you can now eliminate manual work and streamline a repetitive task. Let's get your customer deposits automatically created in NetSuite in no time. Get started with Nova Module today. Schedule a demo with us, and we'll show you how we can solve your integration needs. Email us at hello@novamodule.com. Once again, that's hello@novamodule.com. Or visit our website for additional ways to contact us. Nova Module, modern integration for modern business.